Good morning, guys. JR with Secure Metals Exchange, bringing you your technical update today, Tuesday, December 4th, 2012. It's approximately 8:54 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Guys, this is pre-market analysis. As of right now, the metals overnight last night, we saw a big move to the downside. Actually, not a big move, but we did test the 706 level. As we can see here, there's been this 1706 level has served as a support and resistance line before in the past. Um, it became a support back in 2011, in August 2011, a resistance back in October of 2011. Came back. So for the last probably for the last year and a half, this level here, 1706, has served as a significant support and resistant level. So as of right now, it has moved down under the 1706 level. The next main level that we're looking at is going to be the 23% Fibonacci extension, and this is on the long-term chart time frame at around 1630. But as of right now, it does not look like, at least there's really no signs that it's going to continue to go down. As a matter of fact, as of right now, we are building a little bit of a bullish divergence here on this end. So as long as we don't fall below 1774, which again, this is your 100-day moving average. It's a pretty significant moving average right here at 1698. As of right now, we're at 1695. And it does look like we are building a bit of a bullish divergence. So the bullish divergence will come into play as long as this price does not fall below this level here on 1673. So as of right now, this would be your bullish divergence. So any price action around this level will still have this line going up and this line going down. That's a bullish divergence. So we would see the prices go higher. Hopefully find support around here between the 1682, maybe the 1695 zone. If it does not find support there, then we'd be looking to find support around 1673. Of course, if that doesn't hold, your 200-day moving average is next, and then obviously your trend lines would be coming in next. I really wouldn't expect this market to go below this trend line, but again, we got the fiscal cliff coming up. So again, we're going to see a lot of volatility here within the next couple of days. All we can do right now is not necessarily get too aggressive because of all the fundamentals, but ultimately the technicals do point in much higher prices. So again, this line, this long-term trend line here has not been breached at all. I would not expect this line to not hold. Again, maybe for a day or so, but I wouldn't think the prices would stay under this line here for much too long. I would think anything below this would be a false breakdown and obviously come back from there. But as of right now, again, on the weekly time frame, stochastics are still pointing higher. We're still above all major moving averages, your 50-day, your 20-day. Right now, we are testing the 20-day moving average. On the daily chart here, stochastics, again, building if you ask me, a bullish divergence here within the next couple of days. And again, plenty of support here to support us. Stochastics are starting to get oversold. Again, we are below your 20 or your 50-day moving average. That's not necessarily all that great, but it could be that we can trade here sideways for the next couple of days before we see the what they call the Santa Claus rally. So that's your gold chart. As far as silver goes, silver also building a little bit of a bullish divergence as well. If we look at this, really, I would expect the prices to go down a little bit more, and we would find support here somewhere around here on the stochastic end. And if we look at this this move from here to here, again, I would probably look to find support around the $32 range, between the $31 and the $32 range here. The 31.65 all the way up to the 32.06. Will we continue to go further south? At this point, it's hard to tell, but the weekly chart is looking very, very, very bullish. Stochastics are still pointing higher, so it could be the case that we test this $31 level, the high $31 level, find support at the 20-day or maybe even at the 50-day moving average, and then continuing to go higher from there. But again, guys, really, the short term, maybe the next few days does not look too positive, at least from this chart, but it does look like we are building some strong technicals here. So at this point, it's just really a matter of allowing those fundamentals to come together. Okay, so again, guys, as of right now, it does look like we might see a little bit more of a move to the downside, but again, we want to see how far we can go before the buyers start coming in. Okay, all right, guys, enjoy the rest of your day and have a great one. Bye bye.